In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtask for subtasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a main task to neatly organized layers of work so your projects stay clear, trackable, and easy to manage. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign in. You'll land on your workspace home, which is your starting point for everything. From here, head into the space that holds the work you want to organize. A space is the top-level container for a team, department, or project area, so choosing the right one helps keep tasks in the right place from the start. Inside your space, open the board or list where your tasks live. List view shows tasks in rows with details at a glance, while board view groups them by status in columns. Either view works. The key is to navigate to the exact list that contains the task you want to break down. Next, select the task you want to use as the parent. This is the main task that will hold your subtasks. Open it to bring up the Task Details panel. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right task. This prevents your new subtask from ending up in the wrong place. Now look for the plus icon inside the task panel, typically near the subtasks section. Click the plus icon to add a new subtask. You'll be prompted to name it. Use a clear, action-oriented title so it's obvious what needs to be done. Press Enter to save. You've just created a subtask. It appears nested under the parent task and can be expanded or collapsed to keep your view tidy. At this point, you can assign the subtask to a teammate, set a due date, and add any notes or attachments. Keeping these details close to the work ensures nothing gets lost and makes handoffs smoother. If your workflow calls for deeper structure, the same approach applies within any subtask. Open a subtask and use the plus icon there to nest another level. This lets you create a clean hierarchy for complex initiatives while still keeping everything connected to the original parent task. A few quick tips to make this work even better. Use consistent naming, so related items are easy to scan. Keep subtasks focused on single outcomes, and avoid creating too many layers unless the extra detail truly helps. In some views, you may need to expand or show sub-items to see nested work, so don't worry if they're tucked away. Just expand the task to reveal them. That's all you need to confidently create subtasks and subtasks within subtasks in ClickUp.